How to fix short working cords when working with a diamond pattern and square knots. First, grab your new cords and tie a square knot using your middle filler cords, leaving out your old short working cords. Even if you only have one short working cord, be sure to leave out 2 working cords. This way you only have 4 cords that you're working with. Continue tying your diamond pattern with the remaining cords, leaving out your 2 short working cords. Once you've finished your pattern, it's time to weave the old working cords through the back of your work using a bobby pin or crochet hook. For extra added support, after you've woven your cords through, you can always sew them to the back of your work or use glue. That's it. I hope this trick helped. Save this video for the next time that your cords run short.